all of you. Today I am K.K. Thakur. I am discussing about fraction of class 7. What is the fractions? The fraction is the numbers of the form of a by b, where a and b both are natural numbers, are known as fractions. As for example, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 13, etc. are called fractions. Here we see that 2 is also a natural number and 3 is also a natural number. So we say that 2 by 3 is a fraction. Here 3 is also a natural number and 4 is also a natural number. So 3 by 4 is also a fraction. Like this, 4 by 3 is also a fractions. Types of fractions. First type of fraction is decimal fractions. A fractions whose denominator is any of the numbers 10, 100, 1000, etc. As for example, 1 by 10, 3 by 100, 5 by 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions. Here we see that the denominator of 1 by 10 is 10. The denominator of 3 by 100 is 100. The denominator of 5 by 1000 is 1000. So the denominators are 10, 100, 1000 are called decimal fractions. Now another fraction is vulgar fractions. The fractions, a fraction whose denominator is other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called vulgar fraction. As for example, 1 by 15, 2 by 30, 3 by 90, 1 by 45, etc. are called vulgar fraction. Here we see that a fraction whose denominator is other than 10, 100 and 1000, etc. are called vulgar fraction. As for example, 1 by 15, 2 by 30, 3 by 90, etc. are called vulgar fractions. Here we see that denominator is 15, no 10, no 100, no 1000. So this is called vulgar fractions. Now next fraction is proper fraction. Next fraction is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. As for example, 1 by 15, 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 4 by 9, etc. are called proper fraction. Here we see that a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. As for example, 1 by 15. Here we see that 15 is greater than 1. 7 is greater than 2, 8 is greater than 3, 9 is greater than 4. So here denominator is greater than numerator, so it is called proper fraction. Now next fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction whose denominator is less than its numerator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. As for example, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 7 by 8, 7 by 4, etc. are called improper fraction. Improper fraction. Here we see that a proper fraction whose denominator is less than its numerator. Denominator is less than its numerator is called improper fraction. As for example, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 7 by 4, etc. are called improper fraction. Here we see that 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 4. So, numerator is greater than its denominator. Then we say that it is called improper fraction. Now, how can we change improper fraction to mixed fractions? Now, next topic is mixed fraction. Mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. A fraction is expressed as the sum of natural number and a proper fraction. Is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. As for example, 1 whole 2 by 3, 3 whole 2 by 5, 4 whole 3 by 4, etc. are called mixed fraction. Here we see that a fraction is expressed as the sum of natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. As for example, 1 whole 2 by 3. Here 1 whole 2 by 3 is expressed as 1 whole 2 by 3 is expressed as 1 plus 2 by 3. So we say that sum of a natural number and a proper fractions, etc. So we say that all are mixed fractions. Now, how can we change into mixed fraction to improper fractions? Suppose that here given, how can we change mixed fraction to improper fractions. As for example, 1 whole 2 by 3. Here we take 1 plus 2 by 3 by 1. As for 1, 3, the LCM of 1, 3 is 3. 1, 3 are 3, 3, 1 are 3, plus 3, 1 are 3, 1, 2 are 2, that is 5 by 3. How can we change mixed fraction to improper fraction? As for example, 1 whole 2 by 3, we say that 3, 1 are 3 plus 2, 3, 1 are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So we change any mixed fraction to improper fractions. Now to change improper fraction now to change improper fractions to mixed fractions. As for example, 13 by 3 is given. This is improper fractions because here numerator is greater than its denominator, so we change it into mixed fractions. First of all, we divide 3 divided by 13, 3 4 12, 1. So we write here 3 4 4 whole 1 by 3. So we say that 13 by 3 is changing in improper fractions, that is 4 whole 1 by 3. So we say that we change improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fractions like these examples. Okay, thank you. Next questions are solved in next video.